Okay, today we're doing the senior final exam, which is blueberry pancakes. There's a container of pancake batter, a bowl of blueberries, and a stove. Touching the batter or the blueberries picks them up. Touching the stove tries to cook. When you have batter but no blueberries, make plain pancakes. Batter and blueberries make blueberry pancakes. Pancakes are done in 2 seconds. You can eat them by clicking. Track the number of pancakes and blueberry pancakes eaten. Optional features: burns if left on the stove too long. Pancakes needs to be flipped before they're done. So now I'll show you a demo. So here we go. Let me get it started. My character goes over to get the batter and then goes over to get the blueberries and comes up. And I make it so that you have to hit space to pour the batter. And then it turns to pancakes. I click it, blueberry pancakes on the other side, and I click it again, and it's done. And you saw the blueberry pancakes eaten one up by one. If I just go over and get plain batter and come up and pour the batter, then I get plain pancakes. Still got to flip them. They're done. All right. If having the blueberries is too difficult for you, you should just get the plain pancake batter working first. And you see, I don't pick up the batter until I actually get the batter. So make sure you follow the sequence of things. So you can't cook pancakes with no batter. And just for your amusement, I made one extra feature, which is if you try to flip them really early, it says yuck, raw. Okay, I hope you have fun.